Hello everyone, welcome back to ECU and Key channel. If you have received the MULTIPROG but find that there is no response when connecting to the computer and the software shows that the device is not connected, don't worry. This is not a problem with the device. Likely, you haven't installed the driver yet. If your computer is a Windows 10 system, the driver will be installed automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. However, if your computer is a Windows 7 system, we need to install the driver manually. So, today I will show you how to install the driver for MULTIPROG manually. Let's first connect the device to the computer. Then, click Help on the top of the software interface. Choose Install the driver and there will be a pop-up. The device name will be automatically identified here. If it is blank, it means that the device is not recognized, and we need to replug the device or change the port until MULTIPROG device appears here. Then click the small arrow to find the CDC driver. Start the installation. Okay, we can see that the device status becomes connected. Please note that if the installation fails, we need to click Windows 7 Repair Driver first, and then install the driver again. Well, that's all for the manual installation method of the MULTIPROG driver. If you encounter any problems during the installation process, please contact our technical support. In the next video, we will explain in detail what MULTIPROG does and how to use it. If you're interested, please follow us. See you next time!